Today, I'll show you how to create a purchase order in Xero. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll understand not just where to click, but also what each step is doing for your business so you can create accurate professional purchase orders with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website. Sign in to your Xero account as you normally would. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one, because purchase orders will be created inside the organization that's currently selected. Once you're on the main Xero dashboard, you're ready to start. Next, look for the section related to buying from suppliers. Depending on your layout, you may see a menu option labeled Business or something similar. Within that area, find and click on Purchases. This is the part of Xero where you manage bills, purchase orders, and other expenses related to the suppliers you buy from. If you don't see it immediately, check the top navigation bar or the main menu on the side. Sometimes the wording or position can vary slightly based on updates or your user permissions. After you've opened the purchases area, locate the option for purchase orders. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the main purchase orders screen where you can see any existing purchase orders, their status, and basic details. This is useful later when you want to track what's been ordered, what's been received, and what's still outstanding. Now you're ready to create a new one. On this purchase orders page, look for a button that says New Purchase Order or something very similar. Click that to open a fresh purchase order form. This form is what you'll send to your supplier to confirm what you're ordering, at what price, and on what terms. With the form open, it's time to enter the full details. Start by choosing the supplier or contact you're buying from. If they're already in your Xero contacts, you can select them from the list. Otherwise, you may need to add them as a new contact. Make sure their details, like address and email, are correct, so the purchase order goes to the right place. Next, set the date of the purchase order and, if needed, the expected delivery date. Then move down to the line item section. Here you'll describe what you're ordering, the item name or description, the quantity, the unit price, and the account or expense category it should be coded to. Take your time here because accurate line items make your reporting and stock tracking much easier later on. If your organization uses tracking categories, such as departments or locations, assign those where appropriate. You can also add any notes or terms in the description area, such as delivery instructions or reference numbers that your supplier needs. Before moving on, quickly review the totals, tax treatment, and currency to ensure everything matches what you agreed with the supplier. Once you're satisfied that all the details are complete and correct, you're ready to finalize it. Click the Approve button. Approving the purchase order locks it in as an official document and allows you to email it to the supplier or use it later to create a bill when the goods or services are received. And that's it. You've created a purchase order in Xero. From logging in to navigating to purchases to entering details and approving it,